way to Idaho Springs area. It's called Guanella Pass. I think I said that right. I'll put it up on the screen. But we're doing another night of dispersed camping in Colorado. This one's a little further away from Colorado Springs, which is where we're based out of. This one's about 2 hours, where the one we did a couple days ago was about an hour, which if you have not seen that video, it was our dog's first trip, and it was pretty cute, so go check that out if you haven't already. But we should have some pretty views on the way. That is where we're headed, into those mountains right there. We have officially entered the forest. So we ended up going past Idaho Springs into Georgetown, which we've actually been to Georgetown before. And then
Arapaho National Forest.
Yeah, took that to the forest. So this is actually where we hiked Mount Bierstadt, the parking lot for it, when we did it in the winter. Which means that road's closed.
Wait, I actually want me to take that road though?
We have to regroup a bit because that part of the mountain is closed. So we are at Clear Lake parked right now, figuring out what we're gonna do. So I'm unsure if we're gonna stay here. I don't know if we're allowed to stay here or not, but stopped to have a little lunch.
Georgetown. This is actually where we did a 14er with Sierra's sister and her boyfriend. We stayed here. It's awesome. There's a little town down in the hole and a bunch of mountains surrounding it. Crazy. So we made it down the mountain and we're at a dog park to go to in a little bit. Not sure what the sleeping situation is gonna look like tonight. We found a dog park in Georgetown. And it's an old, looks like abandoned baseball field with the backstop. There's the fan. And just this big, huge open field that's fenced in for the dogs to run around. Boo! Mr. Boo! Mr. Bo, spent from the dog park. Bailey, oh, she is acting tired.
You're all tired.
And these guys are all tired. Look at them all.
So
Bella's the tiredest. Even Mom's tired. Even I'm tired from running all around. Well, we didn't get to go up to Guanella Pass because it's closed. So we landed here at Georgetown, right off the highway actually, kind of tucked back. There's this really nice neighborhood, and then there's like the highway you can see way up there, but then there's a couple parking lots. There's a hotel right back behind us, and then just some like public viewpoints right here and stuff. So it's a pretty tucked in little spot, so it's really nice, and obviously the view super beautiful.
Like the whole river.
We're gonna lay here for a little bit, rest up from the dog park, then we're gonna cook some supper, see what we can get into. So we weren't able to camp at the Guanella Pass, so we ended up here, actually in Georgetown. Absolutely beautiful, just kind of here on the side of the road. And it's legit, there's actually a brewery right there, Cabin Creek Brewing Company. And then here's our van. So here's the cooking setup tonight. Great view. We're gonna do spaghetti or gluten-free fusilli with gluten-free meatballs and Trader Joe's tomato basil marinara sauce. Doing it on the fold-away. Got a great view. The dogs and Sia are inside the van right here off the road. We'll see if anyone bothers us or if we have a nice relaxing night. The tow truck that they're sending to tow us. Closing up shop. Gonna have to close it up. They sent a tow truck to tow us. Here they come. Just kidding. They weren't after us. They were in the wrong place. Mr. Bo scared him off. Our guard dog. Good boy. Good buddy. So you can see, there's the car getting towed. Not us. Nope. The van is good to go and we are still in business. Alright, so the food is done. Spaghetti and meatballs, gluten-free style. There's the view. And we're gonna have some supper. Just going to take out the trash. And I met a little buddy, a little goose buddy. Georgetown Lake. What's up, goose? Alright. Have a good night. See ya. Alright, so the morning went well. Can't see in the back because it's dark. Sierra has a little bit of a migraine. It went good. Nobody bothered us. The problem is we woke up and it got kind of cold and snowed. It started storming a little bit. So you can see visibility isn't the best. There's snow on all the houses and stuff. And yeah. So we're gonna hit the dog park and try to get home. Here we are at the dog park in Georgetown. It's currently snowing. But they love the snow. They love racing around in the snow. Bentley and Bella not so much.